Hey guys, how to fix notifications not showing up on iPhone or iOS 18. So first of all, one of the ways to fix that problem, you need to swipe down to your in your battery at the top right here, and then basically once you swipe down, you're gonna see the control center. Make sure that do not disturb mode is turned off so you can get access to all the new notification, and that should fix your problem. Alright, if it didn't, what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead to the main settings. Alright, we're gonna go ahead right here, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the basically I'm gonna need to scroll a little bit down to the notifications right here. Right, we're gonna click on it and make sure that we turned on all all our notification, including the App Store and any other app, so we can have access to it. Right, you're gonna be able right here to see App Store notification. Go back to the notification and just do that over and over again. Okay, if you still visit that same issue, go back to the main settings. Right, and then basically what we gotta do next, we're gonna just scroll a little bit down and to we're gonna go back to our notifications and make sure that you go ahead to the scheduled summary and make sure that you turn this one on so you can get direct messages. It says right here, bundle non-urgent notification and receive them in a summary at a convenient times. If you want to set that one up so you can get notifications as well. All right, and then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back right to your screen, and that should fix your problem. Right, if it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the main settings again and then go ahead to the general. Right, scroll a little bit down and click transfer or reset iPhone, or you can just swipe down from your battery at the top. Right, and then you're gonna click the turn off button at the top right, or the turn off icon at the top right, so you can turn off your iPhone and restart it again, and that should fix your problem. Okay, if it didn't, what you're gonna do, you're gonna see a vibration, or sorry, the mute button or the mute thumb at the top left outside of your in your cover iPhone. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just allow or turn off the silent mode so you can get the access to the notifications. Maybe one of the reasons why you don't have the notifications because you actually can't hear them. So make sure the silent mode, the thumbs at the top left on your iPhone, make sure that you're gonna have it on your thumb at the top left. Just shut the mute down, right, and make sure that you hear the notifications and everything is set. That should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.